first thing we want to test is phosphates. Now, if you had put chlorine in the pool and there's still chlorine in the pool, then you'd probably want to check to see if you have chlorine, because a high chlorine reading can cause any test to show you wrong results. Whenever you start with this, the first thing you're going to want to do is rinse this out once and then refill it with your sample water. So I rinse it out, shake it. You take your water and you fill to this line, and then you take this little packet, and we use the AquaChek on this. Make sure you get all that powder in there. And you basically just keep turning it like this so it mixes good. And then you have to let it sit. The directions for the AquaChek to check the phosphates are right here. So basically you fill to the line, you add the packet we already did, and then you basically keep doing this for about a minute. Okay? After a minute, then what you're going to do is you're going to take the vial and you take the cap off and you look through this. So you don't look through the side of this, you look from the top down. This sample here looks like it's coming in at about 200 parts, and it matches about the 200 parts per million. So based on the test results, we were at 200. So what you want to do is you want to go to the back of the bottle of the phosphate remover. This is the best phosphate remover on the market. So we always want to have 0 phosphates. Now the one thing is, if our test came back and it shows 0, after we've cleaned the filter or we've backwashed and rinsed the filter, we want to add 2 ounces per 10,000 gallons. So there's markings here, or you can use a measuring cup. All right. So our test came back at 200, so that falls into the 0 to 500, which is 2 ounces per 10,000 gallons. Okay. And so what that's going to do is you're going to add that to your skimmer. If you have a Venturi skimmer, you turn off the Venturi return so it all gets sucked to the skimmer. You can also turn off your main drain so you have all the suction going into your filter media. You want this to get tied up in the filter media so it coats the filter bed and it helps remove phosphates. So this is the #1 key thing to our system of having 0 phosphates.